Hong Kong concert goers sing happy birthday to Pablo in simula at wakas Day 2 concert.
Alright, happy birthday! You should sing it louder, come on.
Wow, happy birthday, Kuya Pao.
You want to say anything?
Kuya Pao, happy birthday.
Thank you all so much, 18. It's so nice to be working while celebrating your birthday. Thank you so much, Alan. Nababasa ko yung mga messages niyo, yung mga gifts na binibigyan niyo. I'm just so blessed to be able to be on this stage with these guys, together with our team, everyone who have been supporting us. Ang saya lang mag-celebrate habang may concert, habang kasama kayo first time dito sa Hong Kong. Sana sa next birthday ko kasama ko ulit kayo. Merong handaan, papabuffet si Kuya Josh.